Alright, good day everyone. Today we will be looking at installation of Arduino IDE, which is one of the software we will be using in our project. The zip file we provided in the group, which is this, just download and copy it on your system. So this is the zip file. Right click on the zip file and click on extract all. Then it's going to extract the folder in it on desktop, which is named as Arduino ID. Just click on extract. So after some time it's going to extract the folder on your desktop. Alright, it has finished extracting. So this is the folder, and automatically is going to open the folder. Just double click on the setup in it. Now after that, click on agree, then next, install. So this is going to take a while, so just exercise patience while the installation is on. Alright, the installation is completed. Once the installation is completed, just click on close. This is the Arduino IDE you just install. So you can double click on it. Alright, once the IDE finish loading, this is the empty sketch is going to open. On this empty sketch, the beauty of this sketch is that once the IDE you open has not been saved, it's going to pick the day at which you open that IDE, which is this. Look at this, sketch underscore July 13A. So 13A is the day that you open the new sketch. So if you open another new sketch, it's going to name it 13B. So that is how it's going to be named until the final sketch that you open. So until when you now save code, that is when it's going to bring out the actual name that you used to save the sketch. Alright, now let's look at some of the features of this IDE. The first one is file. So under file we have new. This new simply means if you want to open another new sketch. While we have open, this open is if you have already saved a project before, then you now want to open the project. Just click on that open and you navigate through the folders, the folder at which you store the code. So recent, open recent. This open recent is for if you the work you've done recently. So it's going to give you at least 10 of them. So just click on that project. So it's going to open the project for you. So we also have sketchbook. We have example. These are the examples of code that comes with the sketch. We have close if you want to close the sketch, save if you want to save the sketch. So for easy way of saving a sketch, you just type the command Ctrl X. Is going to save the sketch for you. And if you want to save as, you just type Ctrl Shift X. So you're going to save the sketch in the folder at which you want to save. This is page setup. Print if you want to print the code written, and this is preferences. We also have edit. Under edit we have copy from forum, copy as HTML, paste. If you copy a code from somewhere you want to paste it, you just click on paste, or you enter the command Ctrl V. You go select all. If you want to select all the code in the sketch, Ctrl A. You can go to a line, Ctrl L, and the line. So this is comment. If you want to comment out a line of code that you don't want to use, you can easily type control plus slash, so it's going to comment out all those all the lines and the likes. So let's look at sketch. All right, under sketch we have verify slash compile. So any code you just wrote in, if you want to verify if the code has error or not, so you just click on verify. So once you verify, it's going to verify it for you and it's going to tell you if the code is free of error. And this upload is if you want to upload that code on your microcontroller. So this is, we have upload using programmer, export compiling binary, sketch, show sketch folder, include library. Here include library. Here if you want to include a library, so this is where you can include the library. So you just come to include library. You can, there are two ways at which you can include library. So either you go to manage library or you add .zip library. This .zip library simply means if you have downloaded the zip file of that library online, just click on zip library and you navigate through the folder. This is tools. So under these tools we have auto format, archive sketch, fix encoding and reload, manage library, serial monitor, serial plotter and the likes. So here we have Arduino, the board which is Arduino IDE. Okay, under this the board we'll be using is Arduino Uno. So though any code written under Arduino IDE can work for any Arduino board. So we have Arduino Uno, we have Arduino Nano, we have Mega, we have Arduino Yon, Mini, and the Arduino board are many, there are much. So but the one we want to use is Arduino Uno. You just click on Arduino Uno. Alright, the port. This port is going to be highlighted once you connect the Arduino microcontroller you want to upload your code to. Is going to be highlighted when you now pick the port at which the Arduino microcontroller is being attached to. So later we will still talk about this. So here under this programmer we leave this one as Arduino as ISP. You still have help. Help here is when you encounter any problem and you feel like you need help. So just come to under help. You troubleshoot on anything you want to resolve. This first icon is also verify icon. Look at this please. Once you put your cursor on the icon, it's going to tell you the name of the icon. So this mark is for verify. So once you write your code, you can click on this icon. It's going to verify. For example, if I just click on this empty sketch now, it's going to tell you that you are verifying this sketch. Look at this bar here. So the green color will be increasing once the code is being verified. So after completion, you can see at this end it's saying compiling sketch. So after completion, it's going to change this word to completed if there is no error. But once there is error, it's going to indicate the area at which the error is. So you can see done compiling. So that means there is no error. So here is upload. If you want to upload your code into your Arduino board. This is new if you want to open a new sketch, and this is open if you want to open a project that you've already saved in your system, and this is save if you want to save the project. So this is just the brief introduction to Arduino IDE. So meet you in the next class.